I'm coming to you guys today with another review. This time it's on dog clippers. I found these amazing dog clippers on Amazon. It has everything you need. If it's your first time, this is a video for you. I am so new to this because of the quarantine. I have to groom my own dogs. I guess we're all in this same boat, right? Anyway, if this is something you're interested in and you're looking forward to finding some good clippers, I have a good set of clippers for you. All right, let's get into this video. All right, guys, this is the box that came in. It's SMINIKER pet hair clippers. You can use these clippers for your cat, your dog, your big dog, your little dog. So this is what came in the box. So much, guys. Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe it. You have a lifetime warranty information packet. That's right, lifetime warranty. You also have a booklet with instructions to show you the different parts, things of that nature. Very useful, of course. Here you have your nail clippers. I love the little pink handle. I love, love, love. Very nice, very sturdy. You get so much, look at this. Also, you get a pair of dog scissors. These scissors are so sharp, cut amazing. Also here, guys, you have, wow, so much. You have your comb. These combs can run anywhere from 15 to 20 bucks, so that's included. And you have your dog nail file. I love the pink. And the infamous clippers. It's very comfortable in the hand. It fits so comfortable, guys. You can use this cordless. I love the gold on there. And then you also have your cords. You can use that while you're clipping or not. Then you have your blade brush. This is self-explanatory. Yeah. Also, you have a solution for cleaning. I'm having trouble getting it out the box, but here it is. It's not that much, but you only need a few drops. Of course, it comes with 4 clippers. You have 3, you have a 6, you also have a 9, and last but not least, you have a 12, and you can see the numbers on here pretty clearly. Like I said, this is very user-friendly. It's so easy to use. It's not complicated at all, which works for me. And you just slip the clippers onto the blade as such. Very simple. Here you can adjust your blade with a simple turn. Like I said, the parts, it's very comfortable and easy to use. I really love this. I was kind of intimidated to buy a set of clippers for my dog, but I feel very comfortable with this. So you're getting all of this in this box. You can't beat it. Not bad at all. All right, guys, that's my review on these clippers. They are so amazing. I give them 5 stars. I paid $69 for that entire set. You get so much in there. I did my research on Amazon. Those scissors that are included can go anywhere from 30 to 45 bucks. And the nail clippers itself can run anywhere from 20 to 30 bucks. So once again, I highly recommend this purchase. I hope this helped you. If this is something you're interested in and would like to see more videos like this, please make a comment, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, guys. And thank you for watching. Be royal, be blessed. Thanks again. Bye.